Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup Beauty channel. I'm Tigrepup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blow dry your fuller wig straight. Okay, so up next I'm going in with my leave-in, and I'm going to make sure I coat every strand of hair by opening the interior of the hair to make sure everything is coated. As you can see here, I'm going in with my styling gel to make sure that the hair is nice and smooth finish. And up next, we're going in with our thermal heating spray to protect it from the heat we're about to use. And again, we're making sure we cover every strand of hair, not just the surface. Okay, we're going in with our serum up next, and we're going to do the very same thing. Okay, so now that we've applied all of our products, we're going to take our brush and brush everything through to make sure everything is evenly distributed and smooth. Now we're going to do what they call a pre-dry, and we're just going to take most of that moisture out of the hair, and we're going to take our round brush next and use this to actually smooth the hair. So I'm going to pull that hair nice and taut with the brush to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Up next, we're going in with our serum, and we're going to make sure we apply it all through the interior and the surface of the hair to make sure everything is thoroughly coated. Okay, here's the big reveal. Here is what the hair looked like before we began. As you can see, it's all frizzy and bushy looking. And up next, we're going to show you the blow-dried finished look. As you can see here, it's nice and shiny, and it's a lot more smoother than it was when we first began. This completes our video 6A, how to blow dry fuller hair straight. Please join me in our next video, how to blow dry silky hair straight. Thanks for watching.